In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers and guides in Canva. These tools are incredibly useful for ensuring your design is precise and aligned just the way you want it. Whether you're creating a poster, an invitation, or any other type of graphic in Canva, using rulers and guides can significantly enhance your design process by offering precise measurements and alignment assistance. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your Canva project. Once you've done that, take a look at the top menu of your Canva editor. You'll see various options there, and the one we're interested in is File. Go ahead and click on it. This drop down houses several important settings that you can adjust to suit your design needs. After clicking File, a menu will appear. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Settings. This is where Canva allows you to control various aspects of your editor's view and more. Click on Settings to proceed. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice several options related to your design view. Among these options, you should find one that says Show Rulers and Guides. This feature is what will enable you to see both the rulers and the guides within your workspace. Simply click on Show Rulers and Guides to activate this functionality. With the rulers and guides now visible, you'll notice a new bar appearing on the top and side of your design area. These bars serve as rulers, assisting you with precise measurements for all elements within your design. You'll be able to click and drag lines from the rulers into your design to create guides. These guides help with alignment, ensuring everything is neatly aligned, whether you're centering a text box or ensuring elements line up on the edges. Now you can drag these guides to any position within the workspace, adjusting as needed based on your design requirements. These guides are especially useful for designing complex layouts where precise alignment is crucial. If at any point you wish to hide these rulers and guides, you can simply return to the File menu, click on Settings again, and toggle Show Rulers and Guides off. This will remove the rulers and guides from your workspace, giving you a clean view of your design. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to show and utilize rulers and guides in Canva, enhancing your design accuracy and overall workflow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy designing!